Hello, let's do our night routine. It's already 8 p.m. And to be honest with you, I'm feeling very lazy right now, but we can't neglect this very important part of the day. And honestly, I don't feel like taking a shower ngayon, gabi, which is been a while dahil nakaugalian ko nung mag-shower every night, but I just don't feel like it. And I feel kind of sleepy na rin, which is a good thing. So, sana hindi ako magstay up so late tonight dahil may pasok na bukas and maaga akong kailangang mag-ayos-ayos dahil na madaming mangyayari sa school. And dun sa pinapaprint ko, well, good luck na lang. Sana may mahanap and sana matuloy na yung print. Dahil kanina ko pa inihintay. But, it's my fault din naman dahil inayaan ko pang tumagal to, diba? Di sana tapos na. Pero, ayun. Let's go. Just right now, I almost gave in to my temptations again na mag-binge dahil napuno yung FYP ko ng mukbang and it's not helping even in the slightest. So, I've been trying so hard not to binge and it physically hurts me. Dahil, even if I want to, medyo napadami ako ng kain ngayon. I don't blame mama for that, but it's definitely a lot. And medyo mabigat sa tiyan din yung pagkain. So, I dare not to binge even though medyo mataas yung urge. Siguro dahil sa pag-fight ko sa urge is ganito yung mood ko right now. Well, medyo nagigilty pa rin ako na hindi ako nag-shower ngayong gabi. But, buti na lang is hindi naman ako masyadong nagpawis ngayon. And, hindi naman ako lumabas ng bahay throughout the day. So, I think it's still pretty acceptable. And, today is a rough day dahil I'm mentally ill. And I've said and I've done not so good actions and said some not so good words, especially kay mama, my number one target or victim, not target. So I don't know, I feel very confused myself. I can't even explain my own feelings because I don't even know what's wrong with me. Like, I might be a bipolar talaga. But, of course, it's not something to be proud about because it's becoming so much obvious and ang pangit. And it's not a very good attitude. But, gusto kong bumawi bukas. Like, to everything na na-slack off ko ngayon. Sa wrongdoings na napakita ko ngayon. Gusto kong bumawi bukas. Gusto ko na i-prove na hindi ko na ino-normalize yung mga ganitong ugali. Okay, so by the way, instead of doing maligo is pupunas na lang ako ng katawan. Hello, so I just finished washing my face with moisturizer. Hindi ko na pinakita kasi okay na. And wow, I literally can see difference in my face talaga simula nung nag-deficit ako. Like, hindi naman siya ganun ka-strict na type of deficit, but I can see some change. Like, hindi ko na ginagaslight yung sarili ko at this point. And it's such a wonderful feeling. Kasi kapag nakaka-discover ka ng mga ganyang bagay, parang, diba, nakaka-motivate. So, it's such a wonderful feeling. But, ayun, I hope na katulad kanina, I just had the biggest urge to binge. And it was a very not so good feeling. Because the feeling of trying to resist the urge is so fucking hard. Like, it physically pains me. Emotionally, physically, mentally, everything. It hurts. Tulad kanina, like talagang feel na feel ko to the bones. And it's my fault din naman kasi masyado akong na-lure dun sa mga napanood ko. But imagine, di ba, kung ginawa ko yun, edi ngayon, kung ano-ano nang pinagsasabi ko sa sarili ko, sabihin ko, hala, nagsisisi ako and back to cycle na naman, di ba? What a trash. So, hindi ko sinasabi na hanggang na ngayon is na-resist ko na yung urge. But, ngayon na nakapag-toothbrush na ako and all, medyo nabawasan na. So, I think isa yun sa mga distractors ko kapag tapos na ako mag-night routine. So, well, medyo nag-aalboroto yung tiyan ko sa gutom for some reason. But, no, we're not gonna listen to that. And, ayun, I'll be back. Papatayin ko lang yung K-pop. As for the reflection of today, I'm very still proud of myself even though may pagka-slack off and may pagka not so good pagdating sa actions and words na nasabi ko kanina, which is something na gusto ko ding i-prioritize talaga because it's very awful, it's very immature, childish of me, especially dahil kailangan ko na talagang magseryoso dahil grade 12 na rin ako and just a few months, magsi-17 na ako, which is very close to me being officially an adult. Which is very concerning. Kasi dati, ilang years back, dati kino-compute ko lang yan na, kunwari sa 2026, 17 na ako, sa 2027, 18 na ako. Tas, what do you mean in the present na next year ganun na ako, diba? Like, next year, magiging 18 na ako. So, of course, kailangan ko na talagang hindi lang mag-focus dun sa academics, sa weight loss na yan. It's gonna all be part of my progress, but most especially, gusto ko na rin i-align yung age ko sa ugali ko. And it's very hard because I rely on initiative talaga. Like, sa words, I let my mouth talk before I can process in my mind, which is not a good thing. And isa nga yun sa mga minention ko na gusto kong i-avoid this school year. Kasi I used to be like that. And to be honest, sa first week na to is I still do. May mga times na talagang dahil na nadadala ko sa mood is kung ano-ano nang nasasabi ko. So, it's still not over. First week pa lang naman. So, gusto ko na gawin tong test para talagang malimitahan yung sarili ko and ma-practice ko nga yun. But again, today, medyo bumaliktad ako sa goal ko nung bandang hapon. Pero happy pa rin ako. Thankful pa rin ako kay mama dahil kinonsider niya pa rin ako na bigyan ng pagkain. And of course, as my mother/grandma, she's doing her best even though medyo nagkaroon kami ng beef kanina and it's really bad. I don't really like the way I approached, said those words and sa actions ko. Like, it's very immature talaga of me. Like, ngayon pa lang nga naiisip ko, like, bakit ko nagawa yun? Like, talagang wala ako sa sarili ko kanina for some reason. Talagang, there's something wrong with me and it's such a complicated thing to even explain in words. So, yung mga ganong bagay is, next time, sana ma-avoid ko na. Gusto ko na ma-improve. And, I wanna prove it to myself na kung itong weight loss journey na to is unti-unti na siyang nagiging possible sa utak and sa nakikita ko. Gusto ko na pati sa actions ko is ma-prove ko rin na hindi rin ito difficult because it's literally in my hands. So, gusto ko rin na pag-focusan yun. And as for and ngayon, about academics is I did my part. naging productive ako. Kanina natapos ko yung notes ko for philosophy even though hindi pa siya required. Pero happy ako na ngayon is at least makapag-advance review na ako kung sakali. Yung sa PN Health, hindi pa rin. Pero once na matapos na lahat and masubmit ko na yung mga kailangan isubmit bukas is pagpo-focusan ko na rin yun para less hassle na. And yung mga requirements for Monday, tomorrow is medyo tapos na. Yung notebook ko pa rin sa Filipino is medyo 50-50 pa ako. So, aayusin ko pa yun bukas because wala pa yung pangalan and all. And I'm not really that satisfied with how I look, but it's really all I have in my resources. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not put all the efforts talaga. But nandyan na yun eh, like to be honest with you. And yung mga assignments sa Filipino rin, natapos ko na kahapon, which is a good thing. And also, yung photography, natapos ko na rin. Well, yung print na part is medyo kinukutob pa rin ako, kinakabahan pa rin ako kasi hindi ko napaprint. So, sana bukas, yung pinagpiprintan ko is ma-print niya na and makuha ko. Or kung hindi man, is at least makapag-print pa ako kasi may time pa naman bago mag-school. And speaking of school, bukas is maaga kami dahil may orientation for immersion. Tapos diretso na sa school. Which is gonna be a very long day. Kasi what do you mean 10 hanggang 4? I love my life talaga. Even though gusto ko mag-complain, gusto ko talaga silang isa dibdib na lang. Like, you know, it's all gonna be part of the past anyway. And I'll eventually get out of here. And yung photography nga, kanina medyo naging desperado na ako. So, tinapos ko na. Well, to be honest, I'm satisfied pa rin naman with how it turned out even though medyo obvious na nagmadali ako. So, in the future, ayoko nang gawin to. Gusto ko na the moment na sabihin ng teacher is matapos ko na like completely. Well, mahirap kasi kapag nagre-rely ka sa time like sa ano pa naman yan eh, wag muna ngayon. Pero gusto ko next time, advance na, you know, because para at least, hindi mo na kailangan atupagin and magkakaroon pa ako ng maraming time. So, sa next time na magkaka-activities kami is gusto ko na i-apply talaga yon truthfully. And ayun, I'm looking forward tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day. And yung x-ray result, manifesting, praying na maging okay. And yung mga requirements is this week, sana makuha na namin. And ayun, I'm looking forward tomorrow dahil pasukan na naman. To be honest, hindi naman ako nadidismaya na may pasok na ulit because even though nakakapagod, nakaka-stress, and especially ang init sa room namin is I'm still looking forward to go to school pa rin naman because motivated naman ako. And nasa akin talaga yung will na pumasok because grade 12 na and hindi na ako pwede magpakatamad-tamad pa. And ayun, I'm happy. I'm still happy. I'm grateful for everything that happened today. Even the bad, the good ones. I'm grateful for every single bit of it. But of course, there's still some room for improvement. And that's what I want to look forward. So, good luck for us in the future. See you tomorrow.